evening. This is Ella.
Pwede ba maglalagay ng dito?
Andito kami sa bahay ni Ella. Sa bahay ng ate ko. Today is...
Wednesday.
Today is...
Sunday.
What is the occasion today?
Today
What's the
is
occasion today?
Sunday.
It's your mom's birthday.
Yes, my mom's
Yay! Birthday ng mami niya.
Her name is Edsel.
Nandito muna
Elsa?
kami
Who's
makikikain.
Edsel.
Yes.
Oh, ano pangalan ng mami mo?
Edsel Geography.
Wow, complete.
We will start vlogging today.
Yes.
Mama
Look over here and on your face.
Mama Ness is
Yes.
also making a video.
Yes.
Yes.
And who's this guy?
I am Daniel Padilla.
That is a funny joke.
Yes.
Funny. Funny?
That's a funny joke.
Hindi naman joke yun.
Maya-maya kakain kami.
Yes.
Naghahanda si ate ng food sa table. At saka yung may birthday.
Pwede ba maglalagay ng dito?
Kaya pupunta kong bata.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, and baskets. Slow speaking fast, like the roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a big exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a new superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gotta learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to see the day, that's for you to take away. You can play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Bring it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. You're irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off, knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I had for several ages of vacant. Modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Anong wish mo kay Mami? What is your wish to your Mami?
I wear a fish.
I wish.
I wear.
Ang likot naman.
I wish. Kayo na.
I
I
wish. Mommy
wear.
has a new dress. A new beautiful dress.
Why?
Yes, because that's my only wish, and that's of mine.
Lots of money.
Money again. Oh, pray na. Then eat na.
Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Natuwa siya. Kasi naglaro sila ni Tita Dana ng bato-bato pig and she lost. Oh, come on. Tayong dalawa, bato-bato pig tayo.
Ako.
Oh.
Huli!
Nagbago-isip.
Bato. Pick.
Tay, tay.
Oh, commercial!
Bato. Pick. Oh.
Yeah, and the winner is
Kobe!
Ella! Yay! Yeah, are you happy now? Huh? Oh, you're happy now?
It's nine na.
No more
It's nine na. Time to
tears.
sleep. Good night.
Panalo si Ella sa bato-bato pig. Are you happy now, Ella? Yes, happy na siya. Natalo niya ako ng mami. Umiyak kasi kanina, natalo siya ni Tita Dora. Ngayon, marunong na siya maglaro ng bato-bato pig. Yeah, natalo na siya. Yeah. Happy na? Happy? Yes. Paalam ka na. Paalam na. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.